Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. My name's Sharon Holt and I'm the author of Te Reo Sing-Along books. And today I'm introducing the phrase of the week, which is haere tonu. Sometimes, this is a bit of a secret, sometimes I write a book because I want to get a phrase out there, and this is one of those times. I wanted so much to get haere tonu out there, which means keep going, haere tonu, that I just thought of how to make a book about it, and it's turned into a cleanup song, a cleanup book, which is very popular. So haere tonu is something that you can use in lots of situations. It will be an easy phrase to add to your kete. Just remember to say haere, not haere, haere tonu, and the T on tonu is like a flat one, not a T. It's tonu, haere tonu. All the best with that. I'd love to hear how you're going. Ka kite.